My name is Veena and I'm also a school teacher. I used to be, now I do volunteer work in a school in Hyderabad. I can speak Marathi, Hindi, English and little bit of Kuncham Kuncham Telugu. And when somebody said that some of you are from Marathi also, so I thought why not say a small Marathi poem and then start. या मुलांनो सारे या गोष्टी ऐका आमच्या तुमच्या या मुलांनो सारे या या come children everybody come your stories and my stories let us listen to all of them. So that's how I'm going to start. We all create stories, but today I'm going to tell you a very nice story from Mahabharata. Have you seen the serial on the television nowadays? They show the Mahabharata. If you have seen, just put your thumbs up like this. So we know how many of you have seen. Yeah. So now the story of Mahabharata is about two princely families. One was the five Pandavas and their cousin brothers were the 100 Kauravas. Okay, so Kauravas were 100, many, and their father was King Dhritarashtra and mother was Gandhari. And the eldest brother of the Kauravas was Duryodhan and younger was Dushasana. Now the Kauravas were very angry and very active and very not so dharmic. They used to like to fight and steal and they always wanted to say, I got power, I can do this, I can do that. And they are always with arguments with the five Pandavas. Now who were the Pandavas? Their father was King Pandu, but he died because of some shraap. So now the Kauravas and Pandavas all live together. Now who were the Pandavas? Yudhishthir was the eldest, then Bhim, Arjun, Nakul and Sahadev. So these were the five Pandavas. Now the Pandavas were always very noble people, noble princes. They used to like to do their work. They used to like to do their work with lot of care and lot of respect. They respected their elders and they also obeyed their elders. Always they were with the presence of good things. If their people, if the project, if the praja or the people wanted something, they would listen to them and they would act according to what is important and best for everybody. Unlike the Kauravas. The Kauravas never thought really of everybody. All they wanted was power. I am the king. I will decide. Always you can see on the serial also Duryodhan and Dushasan, always with anger and with very might. So like this, these were the two families, princely families of the Kaurav and the Pandav. And they lived in a place called Hastinapur, which is near Delhi. It's a little away from Delhi. But this story has taken place about 5,000 years ago. But it is still so important and relevant today. And inside this one Mahabharat story, there are many other stories inside. So out of that, I am going to tell you one small story, but very meaningful. So this Mahabharat war, why did it take place? As I told you, the Kaurav and Pandavas, they were always at war. The Kaurav had tried to kill the Pandavas many times in many different ways. But all the time, Sri Krishna, who is the Lord of the universe, he was always with the Pandav, and he had blessed them. So because they were good people and they were always protected by the god, so they were always lucky. Now, Mahabharat, finally Duryodhan and Dushasan said, nothing doing. We are going to take all their land and we are going to fight a big war. How come they are taking our land? It was not their land and their kingdom. There, it is like your house is your house, but somebody else's house also you want. Is that correct? No. But the Kauravas have decided that they will fight and take away the kingdom of the Pandavas because they could not see that they are doing so well. So the Mahabharat war 5,000 years ago was decided to be fought. Many people, many elders, many prince, many kings, Sri Krishna, everybody tried to tell Duryodhan and Dushasan, don't do this, don't do this. It's not good. No, but we are going to fight, said Duryodhan. Okay, all right. So there were two sides. One was the Kaurav side. They had many kings who were loyal to them and they gave them their elephants, horses, soldiers, and maybe some swords to fight. There were few kings who were with the Pandavas and they knew that they are the real good ones, that they should be siding them. So they took their side and they gave them some food, some horses, some camels, some soldiers, so that they would also be the stronger army. But most important, Sri Krishna was with the Pandavas. So Arjun, Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev, and with Sri Krishna as their companion and charioteer. He was there with them. What happens in a war? Dishum, 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 kachak, kachak. You know? And then people are dead. People are crying. Oh, talkay neppi, amala lagla, naku chot taglindi, ayyo. And some people are crying, some people are, their head is burned, their arm is cut. So, so many things are happening. And they are dead. చాలా రక్తం పోయింది ఆ बैटल फील्ड में बहुत सारा खून बह रहा था बहुत सैड था it was a very very sad day and you know how many days 18 days of the war నాకు తెలుగు రాదు 18 చెప్పటానికి 10 ఇంకా 8 15 15 అట్లా 18 दिन के झगड़ा हो रहा था 18 दिन 18 long days for the battle of Kurukshetra in the story of Mahabharata. Now in Pandav side and Kaurav side, all of them were going to go to the Kurukshetra. But there was one king and he was the king of Udupi. Udupi is near Karnataka and the battle was somewhere near Delhi. In your geography class, you have seen the map of India and Delhi is in the north and near Delhi is Kurukshetra and Udupi is near Hyderabad, even south of Hyderabad in Karnataka. So the Raja of Udupi said, Sri Krishna, I will not fight this war. I am going to stay neutral. मैं नहीं झगड़ा करूंगा. I will stay neutral. I don't like to fight war. So, but duty, everybody has to do their duty. Just like you have to study in school. You come home, you have to do your duty of helping your parents. And if you have friends, you have to do duty of being a good friend. If you have grandparents, you have a duty of looking after your grandparents. So work and duty is a must. So Raja of Udupi, you also have to do your duty. No problem, he said. I will be the caterer. నేను అందరికి అన్నం ఇస్తా. मैं खाना बनाऊंगा सबके लिए. I will make food for all the army. So Sri Krishna said, Tathastu, and blessed. Now the war started. So every day the army of Kauravas and the army of Pandavas used to go on the battlefield and tadam, tadam, shishum, 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 shishum. They used to fight. And so many thousands used to die. ఎవరు చచ్చిపోయినారు, कितने लोग मर गए, कौन कौन मर गया, ఎవరికి తెలియదు, किसी को पता नहीं. But very sad. But Raja of Udupi made exact food for everybody. And it was very nutritious also, because you have to fight the next day. ऐसा कचरा खाना नहीं बनाया, अच्छा खाना बनाया, प्यार से बनाया. Beautiful food, nutritious food, and nice, healthy food. The Raja of Udupi made. Every day the food was just enough. How come? There was no wastage. How come? The fighting is going on over there. Raja is cooking here with his cooks. How does he know how many people are dead? So one day, the Pandavas went to the Raja's camp and tent, and they asked him, Namaste, Raja of Udupi. We know that you are the caterer and the food is very nutritious. But how do you know how many people to cook for? The Raja smiled. Now listen carefully for the answer. Raja of Udupi smiled and he said, very simple. Sri Krishna likes to eat some peanuts every day. Can you see peanuts? So I boil them and I take out the shell and I put some peanuts in the bowl. Every night I go to his tent and I keep the bowl of peanuts in front of Sri Krishna. And I sit and look at Sri Krishna. And Sri Krishna smiles at me. When he has finished, I count how many peanuts Sri Krishna has eaten. If he has eaten 3 peanuts, I know 3,000 people, soldiers will be killed. If he has eaten 5 peanuts, I know 5,000 soldiers have been killed. If he has eaten 8 peanuts, how many soldiers are killed? So you think.
8,000.
And that's how, okay. And so I have to cook that much food less. So there is no wastage of food. I only have to boil peanuts for Sri Krishna and give it to him with lot of love. It is Sri Krishna's Maya, means magic, that I come to know how many people are going to die. So that is the story. Oh, say the Pandavas. So, and they all say, Sri Krishna Govinda Radhe Murari, Sri Krishna Govinda Radhe Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Sri Krishna Bhagwan is looking after all of us. In the time of need, we only have to think and we only have to think to some cues, some hints we get, and then we will find an answer to our problem. And children, do you know this Udupi? The people of Udupi are doing catering business even today. After 5,000 years, they are still the best caterers in India. You know, when you eat that masala dosa, when you eat Udupi sambar and some pachadi, chutney, and you eat some pongal and upma, that is the best Udupi food. Udupi caterers are the best even today, after 5,000 years also. So that is the Maya or the magic of Sri Krishna. So I hope you like this story. Yes? If you like it, then just show thumbs up so that Swati ma'am and others can see that you have liked it.
We can see all the thumbs up there. Swati, you can unmute any one person and ask. And whenever
Yes,
I
ma'am,
interact
I'll
with
do
him.
that.
Yeah, any one person.
So, Madhav, did you like the story?
Yes, ma'am. I have seen ma'am in DD Bharati.
You have seen it?
DD Bharati, no ma'am.
Yes, that's what ma'am asked in the beginning also.
Yes.
Okay. So you
Very
also try
interesting,
not.
ma'am.
Interesting story. Don't try to waste food. That's what also the message
Very
is.
interesting.
Okay.
I
Ravina,
know.
would you like to say something?
Who's saying?
Ji, Ravina.
Me? Yeah, I like.
Unmuted. Unmute.
Okay. I would like to ask them which part of the story they liked. Whether it was the Raja of Udupi or whether it was the Duryodhan and Dushashan who was fighting.
I like
Whether it is the masala dosa of the Udupi.
I know Udupi temple. I will go there.
What did you like, Ravina?
To not waste the food.
No, Veena ma'am is asking which part of the story did you like? Did you like the
I would like the Raja go to Krishna's and gave a bowl full of peanuts.
Yeah, when ma'am gave full of peanuts bowl to the Krishna, yes. Oh, we can also see peanuts now. I want to eat them. Okay. So, who's one more child we can take? Then we can go on to the next story. Can somebody raise hands? Don't unmute yourself. Okay, Rashmi Jain. There is one kid. Mother's name is Rashmi Jain.
When you tell the part like how many peanuts Krishna Bhagwan eats, I like that part.
Yes.
So this is a good
Veena
story
ma'am has
for
made
you.
you have made the story interesting by showing us peanuts now.
This story is very good for doing maths also. You know, if you have to count plus and minus how many peanuts, you can take peanuts or you can take stones and then you can say, okay, You can play with
Yeah.
your friend and then you can decide, how many peanuts who is going to eat. So you can play a little game with peanuts without eating them. No.
No. Let us eat also. Because all the
So,
kids are after peanuts now.
yes. So it's a very good thing. And what did you learn about no wastage of food?
Yes. That was the most important lesson of the story.
Yes. What did you learn? Do you like to eat your plate? When you eat in the plate, you say Anna he Purna Brahma. That means Anna. That means the food is like Brahman. We are blessed. We have to show gratitude that we are getting so much food to eat. No wasting the food. Okay, children?
Show me thumbs up if we all promise to Veena ma'am that we will not waste food from today.
No
I
wasting.
don't waste food.
Very good, very good.
Sometimes
Okay.
we say, నాకు పచ్చడి వద్దు, నాకు క్యాప్సికమ్ వద్దు, నాకు ఆలుగడ్డ సైన్సదు, I don't like potato, I don't like this, I don't like that. So no, whatever food is coming on your plate, be thankful and eat it. Okay?
I don't
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
Very
All
good.
right.
So
Now
we
I
can,
have another.
we can move on to the next story.
Yes.
Kids, you have been a wonderful audience. बीच बीच में म्यूट किसी ने अनम्यूट किसी ने भी नहीं किया था. Let us follow the good examples of ourselves and don't unmute yourself once I unmute you all. Okay?
Okay. I'm going to tell you two small stories and they are linked. So you find out where the link is. Yesterday morning, my daughter called up from her office after she finished office and she told me, Mummy, I tell you, these people don't know how to do their work properly. So I said, what happened? Oh, I have 5 people. I have 5 people who are working under me because she's working in a bank and she has 5 people who are working along with her and she's their leader. Mummy, I told them you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do it like this, you have to present it like this, and I am giving you 1 week. Then, after 1 week, 3 people have not completed their work. One person has completed, oh, I don't know how to do. But one person went on asking my daughter through WhatsApp and through email message, ma'am, can we do like this? Should I do like this? Should I add this? Should I not do this? So she was always asking questions and she did her work very well. After 1 week, it was presentation time at the meeting and there were 10 people in the meeting room. And then my daughter told this lady, never mind, you have done such a good job, you present it. So she presented her work, she presented the slides, PowerPoint, and it was very well done. The colors, the picture, the content, what she spoke, what she had thought, everything was perfect. And everybody was very happy. And the other 3 or 4 people, they put their head down and they said, oh, we have to do like this, is it? Oh. So what is the moral of the story? My daughter even gave this lady, because she did well, she got a free lunch coupon. And she said, okay, well done. Now, I will move on to another story and see if you can find the link. What I am telling in this story and in that story. Many years ago, there was one king and his name was Akbar. Shahenshah, oh Shahenshah, Jahan Panha, Akbar, Maharaj, aa rahe hai. So the courts all used to say like that. And in the emperors of Akbar's kingdom, and his court. Court means like the sabha or his office. And that office was called Diwane Khas. Khas means of less people, special people. And there was another hall which was called the Diwane Aam. Aam means not खाने वाला आम नहीं. Aam Janta means the public. Like you and me and everybody else. We are not ministers. We are not chief minister. We are not CEO of some company. So they were all in the Diwane Aam. So if the king had to see some people and some complaints, it will be in Diwane Aam. But if Shahanshah Akbar has to talk with his ministers, it will be in Diwane Khas. So remember these two names, okay, of the hall. Now, in the Emperor's Akbar's court, means in the office, there were 9. Show me your fingers, 9 fingers. There were 9 Navaratna. Nava means 9. Can everybody show 9 fingers, please? So I will tell you the names of these Navaratnas, and one by one you can put your finger down. Okay? Ravi is doing it really very well. And Durga, Durga not showing. K and Swami also very good. Okay, now Raja Birbal, Mia Tansen, Abul Fazal, Raja Man Singh, Mulado Pyaza, Todarmal, Fakir Ajuddin, Abdul Rahim and Faizi. So they were the 9 Navaratnas. Amongst all of them, Birbal Raja was the most favorite. Because Birbal Raja was very, very sharp, very witty. बहुत असली चीज था, बहुत होशियार थे. He was very clever. And Jahanpana Akbar always took the advice of Raja Birbal. He also took the advice of other Raja Todarmal, Raja Man Singh, Fakir Ajuddin and all. Now sometimes this Mullah Do Pyaza, he was also one minister. He used to say, Jahanpana, हमें कुछ chance तो दे दो. Give us one chance. Emperor Jahanpana, I can also do something and show you. Every time it is Birbal Raja only. Why? See, in your school, sometimes classroom it happens, no? Teacher will say, Arey, you go and bring this book. Hey, you go and tell the principal this. Hey, you go and tell the principal that. And other children are also wondering, hey, I can also do. Teacher, I can do. Teacher, I can do, no? Teacher says, sit down. Sit down. One special boy or special girl will do because they do it well. They are attentive. They are clever. They finish their homework in time. They finish their classwork in time. And they are very obedient also. So same way, Mullah Do Pyaza one day asked Jahanpana, see outside the window, hey, somebody is going. So much noise is there. Shall I go and find out? Akbar Raja thinks, isko na, I have to teach him a lesson. I have to show how that really Birbal Raja is really good. So he tells Mullah Do Pyaza and Abul Fazal, okay, 2 of you go find out what is this procession that I can see from my window. What is happening? What is happening over there? Go and see. So they go very fast. They go and see. Okay, somebody was talking in the back behind. All right, so they see and they realize, oh, there is a wedding procession. Raja ki aayegi barat, sajili hogi raat. So they are all dancing. And they say, I know. Come on, let us go and tell the Jahanpana. So they come to the fort and they say, Salam, Badshah Salam, Akbar Raja Salam. So Akbar Raja asked them, so what did you find out? We found out there's nothing big. It is just a wedding procession. They are going from this town. The girl is living in that other town and they are going there. Okay. All right. Very good. Sit down. Sit down. राजा बीरबल, आप थोड़ा सा जाके पूछे कि क्या हो रहा है. राजा बीरबल, please go and find out what is happening. Why is that noise coming outside my palace windows? Raja Birbal says, yes, Badshah, I will do it. So he goes. And Raja Birbal doesn't need paper pencil because his mind is so sharp. He can put all his notes here. He doesn't need the iPhone. There was no iPhone also. He doesn't need WhatsApp. There was no WhatsApp. Everything was here. यही काम करता था. All everything inside is there. So he goes and he finds out. Oh, the boy is from Fatehpur Sikri and the girl is from Agra. Oh, okay. The girl's father has given some dowry. And what they gave in the dowry, that also he finds out. Oh, what is the boy working? The bridegroom? Is he just going to sit down? Or does he do some work? And are they good family? Are they both same religion? Or they are different religion? And who is the caterer? Who is feeding them? What kind of food is being served? He finds out all the information. Raja is waiting. Hey, Birbal, kahan gaye aap? All the other porters are also saying, Birbal, no, he will take long time. In the meantime, Birbal comes and sings, Salam Badshah, Salam, Salam Badshah. So Akbar Raja is very happy and he asks, Birbal, Raja Birbal, what did you find out? Raja Birbal tells one full big list like that. There is no paper, there is no pen, but this everything is here. And he says, Jahanpana, I found out that the boy is from this town, girl is from that town. The boy is going to the girl's town. There 500 people will be given lunch. And 200 people will be given some food and clothes. And both of them are from the same community. And the girl's father is very happy with the boy because the boy is working as maybe some horse trainer or something like that. And he has got some fields also. Unke paas land hai. And they are good people. And I have seen that both the families are very happy and they look interested to meet each other. Jahanpana, I also told them, if you need any help, Akbar Raja is always there to help you. Oh. So now Akbar Raja says to all his other courtiers, Abul Fazal, Mulla to Pyaza, देखा आपने बीरबल कैसे does all his work with lot of and lot of information. And what did you do? You just went there and came back. So that is why I like to ask Birbal Raja to do a lot of work for me, and also I take his advice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
That's how the story was. So if you do your work well, you are rewarded. Yes?
Yes.
So that is the end of that story. And now think. First other small story and this story. Did you know where the link is? You can unmute. You can unmute and you raise your hand. Then Swati can ask you to talk. Unmute and put your hand up. If anybody wants to talk, put your hand up. Where was the link of this story and that other Akbar Raja
Excuse
story?
me, ma'am.
Yes, Durga.
Ma'am, first story name what, ma'am?
First story was about my daughter who went to office,
Okay, ma'am.
and this story was about Akbar Raja. So there is a link.
Ma'am, could I find the link? Okay, so I'll ask Rashmi Ji. इनकी मम्मी का नाम है? Yes, yes. Sir.
Online Japan.
The link was loudly. Put the phone near your mouth. Okay, Sanvi Sinha. Can you tell me the link? What was there in the two stories?
What was the link? Why did I tell you the personal story and then I went on to Akbar Birbal story?
Anna, say.
Anila, Swati, Anila, he is interested to Anila.
Anila, yeah. So I just unmute. Okay, you speak now. Anila teacher, इसके mobile.
My name is Meghna.
Okay, Meghna, please tell us.
No, ma'am, I will join to now only.
Oh, so you missed the session, baby.
What?
We have already. Ma'am has told us 3 stories today.
Yes.
No worries. You listen to the other kids and you can get to know what all stories we did today.
Okay.
Show me your hands, kids. All those who want to answer or talk to Veena ma'am. Okay, Sarveshwar. The mobile name is Sarveshwar R. Unmute yourself and talk to ma'am. A little bit loudly, kids. We can't hear you.
Okay. One more time.
Ma'am, I will join.
Second branch, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the link in between. Ma'am, the link in between stories. I will join tomorrow.
You can even put it in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
If you are on the laptop, you can
Excuse
say
me, ma'am.
I can't see who's speaking.
okay, so one more time I want to ask. The story was about Sri Krishna and Mahabharata. Second story was about Raja Birbal, Raja Akbar, and one more story I told about my daughter and presentation of computer slides. So now I want to know the link or what is the connection between my daughter's story and this Akbar Raja's story. Have you understood the connection? Why I told you the personal story and the story of Akbar Raja?
To do the work correctly.
Very good. To do the work not only correctly, to do the work to the best of your ability.
And we get success.
Yes, you get success. Yes, good. So if you have to do your homework, do it well. If you have to iron the clothes, do it well. If I have to prepare my lesson, I have to practice it well. Correct? Acha. Okay, over to you, Swati.
Okay. So anybody wants to say anything? Okay, Madhav, you can unmute yourself and say.
Ma'am, link proper communication.
Yeah, proper communication also. Yes, yes.
Good point.
Good point. Very good, Madhav. So, kids, next time. Okay, one more. iPhone 11. You can also speak. Unmute yourself.
The link is we should do our work whenever we want. Means we should complete our work time to time.
To the best. You can complete it in time, but if it is not done properly, it's of no use. To the best ability, whatever you can do to your best. Any work. As I said, not only just homework. It can be even packing your bag. Ayo, I forgot my water bottle and my pencil box. How can you go to school like that? Oh, my book is in the other class. What is
Niharika
that?
wants to tell something.
Yes,
Yeah.
please. Yes,
Okay,
Niharika.
Niharika, speak up. Nikita also wants to say.
Nice. Yes.
So either Nikita or Niharika, any one of you can start. Unmute yourself and talk to ma'am.
Ma'am, if we do our work correctly, we will get success.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Nikita, you are right. So what ma'am wants to teach us here is whatever work you do it properly. Okay. So I think we have understood the stories. Now let us all say thank you to ma'am. We can clap for ma'am. We can wave to ma'am. And next week, please try to draw something in your copies and also write a story review.
Any of the story part, whichever story you liked, I told you 3 stories. Any one.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Veena ma'am, for the wonderful stories and the way you tried to link and tell us. And your peanuts stole the show, ma'am. All the kids just love peanuts.
All right. Good.
Well, thank you so much.
Happy
Yeah.
job. Happy job.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, kids. So we'll meet next week.
What you said before.
Ma'am, anyone story reviewer, ma'am? All story
yes.
reviewer.
Anyone.
Okay, ma'am.
One
Anyone
story
story reviewer.
And can you repeat what
Do
you
not
said
take
before
laptop
about
again.
drawing?
I don't want only drawing. I would like you to write the name of the story and also which part of the story really you like. You don't have to write the whole story. If only one part of the story you like, that is, my daughter was doing all the computer slides very well. And the presentation was well. You can take any part of any story. Out of the story, you do only one.
So whatever you write, bring out the moral of the story in it and try to draw. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Veena ma'am. Thank you. Bye. And all bye to the kids.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.